Hello Vietnam, a land of timeless beauty, rich culture, and unforgettable adventures. Start your journey in Hanoi, the vibrant capital, where tradition meets modern life. Explore the old quarter, taste the flavors of street food, and feel the soul of Vietnam. Discover Ninh Binh, often called Halong Bay on land, a breathtaking landscape of limestone mountains, rivers, and ancient temples. Sail into the magic of Halong Bay, UNESCO World Heritage Site with thousands of limestone islands rising from emerald waters. Discover Sapa, a land of emerald rice terraces, misty valleys, and rich hill tribe traditions waiting to be explored. Step back in time in Hoi An, a charming ancient town of lantern-lit streets, colorful markets, and timeless culture. Feel the energy of Da Nang, from its golden beaches to the stunning Golden Bridge in the mountains. Uncover the imperial past in Hue, Vietnam's former royal capital, home to ancient citadels, temples, and poetic river landscapes. Experience Ho Chi Minh City, skyscrapers, colonial charm, and non-stop energy. Step into history at the Cu Chi Tunnels, an underground world that tells the story of resilience and courage. Cruise along the Mekong Delta, where life flows with the rivers, and floating markets bring unique colors and flavors. End your journey in paradise, Phu Quoc Island. White sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and tropical sunsets await. Book your Vietnam adventure with us today.